All right, here's, excuse me, here's cruise at 4,500.
Traffic room at 28244, downwind.
4,500 feet, 4552, 5.6 gallons per hour. True airspeed is 123. Fly this for a little bit. Fuel burn should be a little closer to 5 preferred, if I remember correctly. Not much, but if we could maybe smooth it out just a little bit more, that'd be nice. Here's a good example for anybody who wants to know what these things will do. This is what I cruise at. 4,500 feet or 5,500 feet on the other video. 4552, and this is your fuel burn currently with this new intake and exhaust. That still has not been tuned. So once it's tuned, I'm curious to see what it does.
I'm off your right wing.
Alrighty, folks. I think that's a pretty good clip of the stability of it.
And we'll be heading
Got the autopilot on. Hey, look. Nothing. Nice and stable. I tend to use the altitude autopilot, but I don't use the wing leveling because it is a very stable platform. Alright, well there you go.